What's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I want to show you a video giving you a simple, easy to follow guide on the MEXC exchange. And I think a lot of people kind of just assume that in order to get into this sort of blockchain Web3 environment, you need to be a millionaire, you need to be very rich or wealthy. And that is completely not true, because blockchain banks the bankless, right? It's helped millions of people in third world countries, and they have access to financial instruments. So I want to show you, and it's as simple as, firstly, the link is down below. You can do some research and due diligence. It's down there. You can get signed up, and you'll see as soon as you click, firstly, it's going to say sign up to claim 10,000 USDT bonus. Now, I don't know how the TNCs apply, but it does say sign up to claim $10 over here. And they have tons of, new user bonuses at the moment if you are going to be using my link. So we really just want to share with you kind of how to use this exchange. And the reason is it's not that difficult. It's not a very, very difficult exchange to use. It's very user-friendly. It's mobilized. It's almost globally accessible. And, the verification is also optional, I believe, in most cases. So if we look at the coin market cap, according to them, these are some of the top exchanges here, spot exchanges. And also you're going to have futures accessibility on this exchange too. But just scrolling through, we can see MEXC actually sits at rank 9 here. It's got tons of coins. It's one of its biggest benefits. It's very secure. It's got loads of liquidity and reserves. And MEXC is one of my favorite exchanges. So once you've signed up, that takes a few seconds. You're going to go over here, and the first thing you're going to see really is that you're going to land on this page, and it says 0 fees on Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Sol. Also, there's this flip test with a total price pool of 5 million USDT right now. So this is overall the website, and you can see here it's quite easy to follow. You've got a token overview section where you can go through some hot futures coins, some hot tokens. You can look at some alpha coins as well, some featured stuff as well. But in general, this is one of the exchanges that leaves me feeling very comfortable. Now, make sure, of course, it applies to your geographical jurisdictions and things if you are doing this sort of, crypto stuff. But I just want to show you how easy it is to really use. And like I say, guys, they have a rewards hub right now. I mean, if you verify, you can literally claim $3. It says here, verify to claim rewards, complete advanced KYC verification to claim your reward right here. And that gives you way more security as well. And if you click advanced challenges, you've got things like invite to earn, cumulative trading tasks, you've got copy trading as well as trader experience tasks. So there's loads of different ways you can make little amounts through the MEXC platform. Now, the first thing you do once you've signed up, you're going to have this wallet side of things, right? And naturally, when you go into your wallet, into your overview, it's going to say you've got nothing. It's probably going to say you've got 0 coins. And I'm just holding some seriously high risk altcoins over here at the moment. But what I want to show you is in the overview section, when you deposit, it's most likely going to go into your funding account. So what you need to do is change from your funding into your fiat or your futures or your spot. If it's in spot, then you're able to trade on the spot exchange. These are all on spot. If it's in futures, then you're able to trade on futures and do leverage trading, but it might not be the case for you. It depends what you wish to do. So firstly, the thing you're going to do is going to buy crypto, and you're going to hit here. And this is how you on-ramp into the exchange. And the great thing about MEXC is they actually accept a lot of different currencies. Now you can see here, if you go to third party, I believe this is where it allows things like MoonPay, Banksa, Alchemy Pay, and you can use things like Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, and MasterCard. But one of the ways I prefer to honestly do it, if I was to do it, would be going here and you're just using Apple Pay or just simply debit credit card. And it's a very simple way to do it. And you can choose these different fiat coins. So you might be in Europe, you can choose euros, and then you can deposit in and you're going to get USDT in exchange. So it's 3 very easy steps. So you select your preferred crypto and choose the amount. You select your payment method, then you complete your method and your payment, and then you receive your tokens. Once you've received them, you'll see the money go into the overview section here on your account sort of dashboard. And once you've done that, and let's say you want to buy like, I don't know, Bitcoin or something, you have the option to either click markets, and markets is going to give you kind of an outline of all the trending coins, what's kind of moved on the 24-hour window. You can look at futures, favorites. You can go on tokenized stocks. You can look at stable coins, new listings. You can go into privacy, real world assets. And these are all different things that you can effectively, obtain if you wanted to. Now, let's say you were to buy Bitcoin, you've got the choice to go to spot, meme, or futures. Let's just assume we're going to do spot. So you'd go into spot, and we don't actually have any USD here to demonstrate a full-on buy. But what you do is hit Bitcoin, and you can just search for any coin, by the way. So if you're like looking for Solana, then you just literally type Solana, and it would pop right up. We put the ticker, so SOL, and you can see it's displayed right there. But for instance, if you wanted Bitcoin, you could do it on a market buy, on spot. Then you type in how many USD worth you'd want. So if I had like $1,000, I'd type in $1,000. I'd hit buy Bitcoin, and then straight away it's going to be in my my spot wallet right here, my spot account. And yeah, it's really, really easy. And I love how simple and easy this particular platform is. Then you've got futures, which is far more high risk. So please, guys, this is not financial advice, and do not over leverage. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose, because you can lose pretty much everything technically on leverage trading. And I've been there before, and it's not the nicest of feeling. So only risk what you can afford to lose. That's also very important. This is where you can do leverage trading. You can slide leverage all the way up to 500x, which is just ridiculous. But yeah, you can see 10x, 20x, 50x. You can choose here the parameters that you want, and you can basically just scroll up or down as to how much leverage you wish to apply. You can then also open long and short positions, and you can go from isolated or cross futures trading. Same as spot, you've got tons of different pairs that you can enjoy trading, hundreds of different altcoins, hundreds of different just everything that you can trade with MEXC, and it's super, super simple. Like I say, this is one of the easiest exchanges to get on with. They've got a mobile phone app, they've got the browser side of things, and like I say, the link is literally just down below for you guys to use this. So, a lot of people quit in the bear markets, and that's the problem. No, that's not a good strategy. Quitting in the bear market, you want to be building in the bear market, thinking like smart money. And right now, we're not in a true bear market, but we are, of course, in a corrective phase in the general market. Do want to say as well, guys, please join my Discord channel. It's down below. We've got 43,000 members. It's free to join. People are winning, and it's beautiful to see these people winning as well. And if you are after education, resources, insights, how to navigate through this volatile space with more adaptation and more quality and more initiative, then check out the Patreon down below. Invest in some education. You can see we've got the Patreon here with multiple tiers that you can look at with different price tags attached. Most people go for the crypto legend, but if you are tight on money, there's still the crypto hunter or the crypto degen, which are far less in price. And yeah, guys, that's a wrap really. MEXC, here you can do your trading, your holding, your leverage, whatever it is. They've also got MEXC earn, where you can, do some other things here on the exchange, like USDT terms, where you can get 15% APR and things like this. But of course, remember, not your keys, not your crypto. And, the safest place to store any cryptos is on a cold wallet, fully offline. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful somewhat. And you can just see how easy it is to sign up. And everything you need, is simply at the top of the website. And it takes a few days, weeks to really kind of get used to the platform. If you've got any questions, ask us down below. Ask in the Discord channel. Don't be shy. And we'll see you very soon. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching.